Teni Simjan Tamchada Sanji Salan, Copperfia, you share the Wankers of Monsieur, Yabi Canon than Bigonis answer.
Kindly listen to me with the aspiration that I would lead all the sentient beings into the enlightenment.
Tani Kedi Huna, no should get covered on in a gigwadi the sugar, Dick Jack Malaka, Tanya be what now at the Herse, Marafiat Pignoni, the Vargas Jack in the Godi, Tits Jack and Chokcha, Jokoman and check your coffee. They don't know of it so young. Herse work at Tangomara, Sheton Godi, Kamachi would talk.
When I first came to the West, it was very difficult to stop and let the translators translate. But now got so used to getting translated that it feels difficult to speak continuously.
Pela Council Perfiavichun under Japari, she said, we want Jupala.
Now you are going to get the empowerment of Jampal Yeshisempa, the Manjushri.
Kerang Namji, Tixum Sanji, Tamchi Kim Chenli, Shikdu, the Birans, getting Jakur Kovo, the Air Mepa, Hatan Lamam Chukchoki, of Dagla, Meshiki, on Krisam, an hour that of Soran, the Nijilu.
You think of your master as separable from Manjushri, who is the embodiment of the Buddhas of the three times, and requesting him to grant the empowerment, you repeat after these prayers.
Jesanji Gunjian Chanli Garer
Jesanji Gunjian Chanli Gur
Jampara Ladan Yimeba
Jamba Ladan Yimeba
Wadana Lamam Chokjoji
Padana Lamam Chokjoji
Dagla Shenlava Wanker Zoro
Dagla Shenlava Wanker Zoro
Jesanji Gunjian Chanli Garer
Jesanji Gunjian Chanli
Jampara Ladan Yimeba
Ladan Yimeba
Wardana Lama on Chokjoji
Padana Lama Chokjoji
Dagla Shenla Wanker Zoro
Dagla Shenla Wanker Zoro
Jesanji Gunjian Chanli Garer
Jesanji Gunjian Chanli Garer
Jampara Ladan Yimeba
Ladan Yimeba
Wardana Lama on Chokjoji
Padana Lama Chokjoji
Dagla Shenla Wanker Zoro
Dagla Shenla Wanker Zoro
Tetar Lansum the Sorat Tabala, Lami Landa, Ketchik Namne Tapa Dan, Shirip Dan, Mazan Tambadan, Simjan Giton, Sirchik the Somberno Picanza in Binana, Kowi, Kinamlan, Gideon's member Shaoji, Nanga Fianbano.
In response to this prayer, the master who is inseparable with the deity, Manjushri, says these words, that you have the devotion, you have the capacity to understand the intelligence, you are capable of doing benefit or working for the benefit of the all the beings, and also for the teachings to spread. So therefore I would give you the empowerment and ripen your mind stream.
Hota Tang Shiravam Jordan, Jean Tandu Don La Marie, Lidan Carvada, Bacho, Tata Dakar, Manbara, Fia, Teni Keranam Giti, Tanizonte, Jean-Khari Yeshi, Saint-Ri, Hatsuk Tamja, Chukushirian, Yonsum, Morton Vadan. Timdu namka chitik niki varta tanba tarvadan simjanlev derkin zombi zombaten ndorer mufshago nyamdendi jilu.
Then, with this kind of aspiration or confidence or trust, that from now onwards, till I attain the total enlightenment, I would never let loose or let go, or I will never abandon the Jampal Yeshi Semba, the Jampal, the Manjushri as my Yidam, and till all the sentient beings are enlightened and liberated, I will go on without interruption, working for the benefit of all the sentient beings and for the spread and preservation of the teachings of the Buddhas. With this trust and confidence, say these words after me.
Jamba Yeshi Senhuizo,
Jamba Yeshi Senbezo,
Trokoshiryang Moktongo,
Suki Shenyam Netongo,
Namka Chitra Nijivara,
Namka Chese Nijipal,
Standu Tonchen de Barasha,
Senju Tamchen de Varasha,
Jamba Yeshi Senhuizo,
Namba Yeshi Senbezo,
Trokoshiryang Moktongo,
Suki Shenyam Netongo,
Namka Chitra Nijivara,
Namka Chese Nijipal,
Standu Tonchen de Barasha,
Senju Tamchen de Varasha,
Jamba Yeshi Senhuizo,
Jamba Yeshi Senbezo,
Trokoshiryang Moktongo,
Suki Shenyam Netongo,
Namka Chitra Nijivara,
Namka Chese Nijipal,
Standu Tonchen de Barasha.
Senju Tamchen de Varasha,
Deni roxer tomba nye kingan li keran namka jeka jakhwar yeshi senhwa kumdok servo yarchi firni ba dendu firni na firni shirap gira dum khalaq dang la yombi apar ji tang na galagam namba skala ta dang rambu chi yangi yamba jak dorji chetongo pardi dan la jigba jiksar to baranzo la tsingdala sambarjo.
Now you meditate yourself, and you imagine that you yourself has dissolved into emptiness and luminosity, and out of this luminosity arise yourself as the Manjushri, who is yellow in color like gold, one face and two hands. In the right hand holding the sword of wisdom, hosting it in the space, in the sky. In the left hand holding the flower, Utpala flower, and on the top of the Utpala flower is the Pothi, or the book of Pragyaparamita.
Wasaryan li kajaga pardi dan la cheran jakhriye shi se khir ga sen dogara da bodan zan nor ki chi zo chotong je cheranam tir tar da sarvi tagani gozer khod me pam chubi karch qurur sen ngani gumbon jamba yang kor lagna dorje la sabba sen kha chip tak ko adam ji ba tam je fyan dang cheran la subzub tambi git shingi la bi mu bam zoda.
Yourself meditating in the form of Manjushri. From your heart emanates various colors of rays or lights and goes into the east and to the five-peaked mountain, and from there the Manjushri himself, surrounded by the Bodhisattvas like Vajrapani and others, they come and all their blessings enter into you in form of the rays of different colors.
Ani chindu vorzer ngani tatang gorji gorvaya anjang kwara ye chi sen hui zo Darshan Harkar, Danashenje, Lo, Omara Bazanarda, Riga, Pim Pim Zanza, Zahong Vam, Ocean, Wabi, Shibanam, Jitip, Shantim, Matu Jivat. Of my Kiran and the Merosik, the Tambar Jirju, Subtrati Rambanzari, so Subtrati Rambanzari, so Subtrati Rambanzari, so Then Jafar Yishi Senri, Tamsukirtin Deniki Tagani, Yishi Senra, Tsunkawa Jingtu, Kiranam Gifuni, marriage, Nyawis Tambi, Janquara Yishi Senri, Kurson to give Shin Laptan, Wanda, Maliba, Toby Mubamzot.
Now imagine that from this image, which is the Samaya Sattva, so from the heart of it, Jana Sattva, Yeshi Semba, which is as big as 1 inch high, emanates and enters in your body through your head, fontanel, and enters into your heart. And you think that all the empowerments, all the blessings, and have assimilated into you, have become one with you, and the Jana Sattva is stabilized in you as long as you are not enlightened. I mean, till to the enlightenment, it's stabilized.
Dixon Sanji Tanja, Sanson Chigda, and the Bai, Jean Huaye, Huaye, Rigivala, Wanker, Ingaya Summer Manba, Dan Shotan Ujo, Kanto Show, Omara Pazanar de Kawakaza da Serva, Abba Kanza. Omida Armada Draba Wadan the Kandatanga Yamada de Kanzo Nuruda Wombadama Hermana Iswa Katak Don Miayali Landerji Namra Manga Bandi Jamder Gar Jeran Chanda Takja Yeshika and Jaquara Kanda Zambu Tashi Sho Sarjavla Mishan Lavanyala Yadamala Zigong Udava Kando Damjan Lida Javjando Kamsamalanji Tabi Tashi Sho Dorjelo Javdan of Yapan Genton Dimbir of Javdavatan Batar Korlojan Dakamatam Jorji Tambayanani Bi Tashi Sho Jano Jipon La Combim Tin Malam Naya Dixim Mamjon Shanju Sam Dana Mamdara Satam Pansam Sobi Tashi Sho Garitom Jaja Java Mandono Bijana Daradan Do Bandab Jan Pansam Sobai Tashi Dijan Dandar de la Jo Nindriam de la Zam de la Yimi Guan de la Yinza de la Ba Komjosum Yi Dandar Zora Wadam Lami Dandar Zora Yidam Lai Dandar Zora Chujon Romi Dandar Zora Jibdaganam Yi Dandar Jumbo Kandandar Lagir de Zagam Gonde Varnan Gojan Jirganam La Tagda Jamje Jan Yadam Zamo Jula Jo Barajo Darna Jarva Jar Din Ganga Hundab Din Barak Sonjan Mit Ba Din Batijan Dandar de la Jo Tangan Jigba Cheli Tar Yaraj Dandar Namjara Dajakon Loyam German Kotan Jibatam Nima Danda Zadak no Pali Direction. The Tang Varches from Yamuntum Shuktam Jelly Hunde Yarjan Trashi Baracherji Zaya San Zaya Aya Zaya Dina China Bishim but the luxury carol get it Hargerlo Zaya San Zaya Hargerlo The Margo Taku Long to your name. Oh, yeah.
Amara Baka Nadu 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 Amara Baka Amara